Audio spider merger. With the two RPG8. The first RPG8 is automatically routed right here into the maelstrom. The second RPG8 is coming from the gate CV out, going up to the start of the arpeggiator trigger, which is right here. And at the same time, we created a maelstrom. It's already routed up to our 6.2 mixer. And we added a Spider CV merger. I could have held down Shift and let it automatically reroute it, but it already routed, basically. And when we turn it around, basically, you're going to actually see how the sounds triggering that are coming in. As you can see the two RPG8s running. Which actually explains why we have the two RPG8s connected, one connected to the trigger. This trigger is running the first RPG8, that's what we had showed in the back, give or take. And on the Spider CV, it's running right into the subtractor. So as it plays, it's being controlled as well. And it's almost as if it's laying on top of what we already have, selected as a patch on our maelstrom, give or take. So, back on this clip here, this is showing that we have the same setup, but it's with a Spider CV merger, but the routing is a lot different, give or take, as you can see. And we're gonna I'm gonna let you see this tutorial video. Trim knob all the way up.
Of the first arpeggiator here to deal with that gate length. So I'm going to move the gate length down a little bit on this as well. Okay, so now let's play. So that's what's happening there. So now we can do a couple interesting things inside the combinator itself. What I'm going to do over here is I'm going to let this control the pattern of the second arpeggiator. This one is going to control the gate length.
Control the gate length and controlling the pattern.
Control the shift of the maelstroms.
And it's going to control the shift of the maelstrom.
This is going to control the rate from the subtractor. So let's set that up. For the pattern, I'm going to select the second arpeggiator, go to rotary 1. I'm going to take pattern, and then select pattern here. So now what's happening, if you want to see, look at this pattern section here. As you change the knob, it's going to change the type of pattern that you get. And in that way,
and as we can see, the pattern is changing.
Of this section of the arpeggiator, and at the same time change the shift parameter of the maelstrom. So, to some extent, not fully. And then the gate length, what we're going to do there is we're going to control this gate length parameter of the first arpeggiator. So we take rotary 2,
And as we can,
for that, and then for the shift, we're going to go back to the middle string, and then shift, and then select pattern here. So that's here. Deal with that gate. So we'll move the gate length down a little bit on this as well.
we're going to turn this back around. Just going to hit the tab. We're going to disconnect. And what we're going to do is we're going to run I'll run it into the first splitter. Run LFO to the first splitter A, and we're going to come from, run this just like this. So we have that right there set up. Now we're going to merge the output all the way up here to gate CVN, and we're going to turn it up. And as we turn back around, we get ready to play this section, we'll be able to see our different sounds coming through, give or take. Here we go. And the whole idea is that both arpeggiators are running with the one mouse drum, and we have the sounds from the subtractor running into a spider merger, triggering it back up to our mouse drum, working together. Now, if we change some of the sounds on the mouse drum, the subtractor, we see what we get. And both arpeggiators are still working. So, thank you, YouTube, and 40 Wave, we'll get back with you as we get more videos. Thank you. Bye.